Hey, Jim, I guess Lauren decided all these storms out there.
Yeah.
Might as well go on vacation.
There you go. Good timing, Lauren. But Craig, what are we watching here right now here in South Florida and in the tropics?
Well, as far as we're concerned, no threat here, and now is the time when I can't take vacation, of course, because it most likely would be canceled. Here's what's going on. First off with Fred, which made landfall this afternoon as a strong tropical storm. Fred finally got its act together, had still a little bit of wind shear, but moved over the warm waters of the eastern Gulf and moving to the north there helped to kind of minimize its wind shear. A little bit of it was moving a bit with the wind shear. Winds now at 60 miles an hour, moving to the north-northeast at 9. Still tropical storm warnings in the path of it, where tropical storm conditions are expected as we go through the night and into early tomorrow. But then after that, it weakens mainly as a rainmaker over the southeast. Here's the radar loop, and you can see the center of Fred there continuing to move to the north. Big band of showers and thunderstorms, but it took so long for Fred to get organized. That big moisture tail we were keeping an eye on hasn't developed. You can also see a bit of a moisture tail over us to the east and over the Bahamas. That is going to gradually pull our way and keep our chances for some showers and thunderstorms around tomorrow. Tropical depression Grace, also a system we were watching with the potential to impact us. The good news was Grace kind of redeveloped onto the south and to the northeast Caribbean. It looked for a time like Grace might come right towards South Florida, but thankfully that didn't happen. This is one of those things that we had to watch, and now we feel much better about the impacts here. Of course, our thoughts are with the folks in the path of Grace and being impacted by Grace this evening. 35-mile-an-hour winds. Thankfully, it's moving quickly west-northwest at 13. Tropical storm watches and warnings in the path of Grace there, and the future track calls for Grace to become a tropical storm during the day tomorrow once again, and then could become a hurricane once it crosses into the central and western Gulf of Mexico there, most likely impacting the eastern coast of Mexico there, the western Gulf Coast. In terms of Grace, this is the way it's looked through the day today. Still kind of sputtering a little bit, but you can see a lot of moisture, and thus the heavy rainfall impacts to Hispaniola there, Dominican Republic, as well as Haiti. Heavy rain next in store for Jamaica as well as portions of Cuba. And then we have a third storm. This is from our Tropical Depression 8. Tropical storm Henri up there by Bermuda. Tropical storm watches in effect for Bermuda. And here are the three tracks all together. Fred going to the north, Grace going to the west, and Henri kind of closer to that upper level blocking high that's steering all the storms. It goes to the west and then turns to the north. No bother to the U.S. from Henri, as that's a busy looking tropics map out there. Closer to home, it's warm again now that we've gotten back to sunshine and steamy summer temperatures, mid to upper 90s in most locations, and more of this is in store in the coming days, with just a chance for some spotty storms, especially tomorrow. And then just kind of summertime pattern here with a few showers every now and then. Satellite look through the day-to-day showing a few little storms that popped up this afternoon on the east coast sea breeze that has moved on to the west, and that activity has died down for now. We may see a few more early storms pop up. Other than that, looking pretty good. There once again is Fred and the moisture feed, and you can see a little bit of a moisture tail that's over Florida for tomorrow. Still in a little bit of moisture here, so the potential for a few thunderstorms the rest of the week. Grace passing well to our south. We are looking just summery and quiet with no tropical threats here in South Florida. For tonight, a few early storms, otherwise warm and humid, a low in the upper 70s. Tomorrow, summer sun, spotty storms, but not too widespread. High temperature near 92 on the water winds east-southeast 10 to 15. Seas running about 2 feet. Taking us through the rest of the week, it looks like summertime for August weather with a few showers and plenty of warmth. Back to you.